Hello everybody. One of the other classes that I had the opportunity to take was Injury and Violence Prevention. And this was a great class, and the name of the class tells a lot about what I was able to learn. But the biggest takeaway message that I got was something that's called the Haddon Matrix. And basically what that is it's I guess you could call it a model or a technique used to understand accidents and injuries and how we can best prevent them. There are several different aspects in it, and I'll go over each one briefly. Basically, we need to understand that there are three phases involved in an accident or an injury. One is the pre-event, the other one is the event when the injury actually happens, and the other one is post-event, which is after the accident happens. And we also need to understand that there are different parts or factors that affect the accident. One is the host factors, or the human. The other one is vehicle factors, which could also apply to equipment. The other one is physical environment factors, which apply to the environment around, and social environment factors. Now, on each one of these levels, for the host factors, vehicle factors, physical environment factors, and social environment factors, there are things that can be done on all three levels of the Haddon Matrix. For example, with pre-event, to prevent crashes, we can educate people. That would go under human factors. During the event, to make it so that crashes aren't as bad on the human, we can have them wearing a seatbelt. Post-event, we can get them treatment quickly, those kinds of things. Understanding and applying this model helps us to know what interventions we can and should be implementing to be able to have more successful prevention. And that's going to be coming through the use of pre-event techniques, things that help during the event, and things that are for recovery or post-event. And we need to be able to understand that we also need to sometimes change the physical environment, or the social environment, or the vehicle environment, or the equipment involved in an injury or an accident. And when we're able to do this, we're able to understand the best method to prevent injuries. Thanks everyone, and hopefully you'll be able to understand that if you are designing an injury prevention program, you need to consider all of those factors in order to have the most success.